This tutorial video is exclusively for the ALC users only. We will show how an ALC can raise a rectification required if any discrepancy in the claim application, and verify the resubmitted claim applications. First we will show how to add rectification in a claim by ALC user. Log into your dashboard. Navigate to Claim, and click on Claims. Select the claim application. Navigate to the options, and click on View to open the application. Check if any discrepancy is found in the claim. Then in such cases use the Rectification Required button to proceed with rectification request. Now enter the reason of discrepancies in the remark. Please make sure to give detailed and proper remark for the CSC or DEO to understand the discrepancy. Once the remark is done, click on Confirm button to add the rectification required. On success, a confirmation message will be shown. That's it. This is how ALC user can add a rectification request. Now we will show how ALC can verify the resubmitted applications by the CSC or DEO users. Navigate to Claims. Select the resubmitted claim application to verify. First check whether the discrepancy has been rectified. If the discrepancy is still not rectified, ALC can raise the rectification request again. Once all discrepancies are corrected, proceed with the verify. Enter appropriate remarks accordingly. Once the remark is done, click on checkbox by giving your consent and click on the Confirm button to verify the claim application. On success, a confirmation message will be shown. The claim application status will also change to Verified. The same application will also be forwarded to NBOCWWB Welfare Board Office for further process. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.